Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. Today's another unboxing video. So many boxes come in. I don't want you to get the wrong impression or the right impression, maybe, that I buy a lot of stuff. I do. I do buy a lot of stuff. I don't know what I'm doing, but this is another unboxing video. I hope there's some cool things in here. I have no idea what's inside these boxes. I ordered a bunch of things. I've been, collecting various comics, and I don't know what these are. I really don't. So I'm going to find out. It'll be a surprise to both of us. So we'll see what it is. Oh, okay. I know what this is. This is actually kind of an interesting one. I was trying to find old price guides, and this is for several reasons. Because I kind of wanted to see, like, historically how comics have gone up in value. So I bought this collection of price guides. It's like Overstreet Price Guides. But also I was looking for a particular price guide that had some Bill Ward artwork on it. So I'm going to show you those price guides. This is the one that I was trying to get, actually, and this is with Bill Ward art. It's like got Torchy and just different women in comics, kind of cool good girl art. So I thought this was kind of a cool collection. It was $20. It wasn't like a huge expense. Some of these guides actually do sell for a lot. This is Overstreet Guide number 8, so it's an early Overstreet guide. And it's just kind of a cool one, with some of the good girl art from Bill Ward. And another one that I got in the collection, it's just a small collection, is number 6. These are all early Overstreet guides. So this is number 6. And it's kind of cool because you can see, how the price of things have really changed over the years. Like, let's see, let's try to find like X-Men number 1 or something like that, and see how much it goes for. Let's see, I'm going to look up X-Men number 1. Let's see. So, X-Men. My looking up skills are not the greatest, but let's see if I can find X-Men number 1. X-Men number 1. Wow, I would love these prices. These prices are awesome. For a near mint copy of X-Men number 1, it was $25. That's how much. And I'm not sure when this is from. This is 19. Let's see what the year is on this. 1976. So if you could get a time machine, go back to 1976, you could pick up a mint copy of X-Men number 1 for $25, according to the guide. That would be pretty awesome. I'd love that deal. I'd be like buying them up like a lot. And we got another cool cover. So I was buying these kind of for the covers a bit. And this is like an Alex Schomburg kind of cover. I'm not sure if it really is his work, but it looks like it. It looks like his artwork. So just a really kind of cool guide. This is what number is this? This is number 10. So these are all early price guides from Overstreet. So I thought it was kind of a cool thing. As I said, I paid $20. It's actually cheaper than they were actually printed at. They were $10 at the time. So I got it cheaper than people back then. So whenever you can get something very cheap like that, it's a good deal. I think it's kind of cool to see that kind of historical record of price guides. So it's kind of cool. This box, I have no idea what's inside. It's just like a lot of paper. And at the very bottom is a comic. Let's see what this comic is. So I have a feeling I know what this is, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be right or wrong. But we'll see. They tried to protect it. Let's see, some painter's tape. do it really quick. It's always a bit of a challenge to open these up. Even with the painter's tape, it's a bit of a challenge. It's kind of crazy. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is another Soti book. I don't believe I paid that much for it. I think it was like 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks kind of range. Considering what it is, it's like historically significant. This is, maybe it was like 30 bucks actually. I'm trying to think about how much I paid for it, but this is Crime and Punishment number 16. And it was featured in The Seduction of the Innocents. I believe for the reason of, I think it's this copy, this issue, where basically in the issue they say how, that it's these comics have helped kids stay away from crime. And that so Wortham was really against these crime comics, so he basically referred to this as being something which is propaganda in the case. I'm pretty sure that that's what this is. So yeah, this is Crime and Punishment, a nice golden age comic from 1949, number 16. So kind of cool Soti book. And I really like these. So that's my unboxing. I love the guides. The guides are really cool. I'm not sure. Are there anyone that watches this channel that collects the old guides? Like I used to collect all the wizard guides. I'm not sure if anyone ever got into those. I have a whole stack of them, and I have like some of the early wizard ones, and I don't know if anyone collects any of these guides. I used to love Wizard Comics, the magazine, I should say, for those hot lists and stuff like that, and seeing the trends and stuff. I really enjoyed getting it, once a month. So anyone else had that sort of experience growing up in the 90s, collecting comics? So please leave a comment below, and remember to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.